In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers in a Google Sheets document. When working with spreadsheets, knowing how to include headers and footers can be a game changer, especially when you're preparing documents for printing or sharing. It's important to know that these headers and footers won't be visible in your standard Google Sheets view. They only appear in the print view and on the printed version of your document. So let's dive right into it and see how you can do this efficiently. First, open up your Google Sheets document where you need to add headers and footers. Once you have your spreadsheet open, look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Print. This is where you'll be making all the necessary adjustments for how your document will appear on paper. Now, as you enter the print settings, you'll notice a panel on the right side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the drop-down menu specifically labeled Headers and Footers. Clicking on this will give you several options to choose from for your headers and footers. Here's where you can decide exactly what kind of information you want to include at the top and bottom of your printed pages. You have quite a few options here. For instance, you can choose to include page numbers, which are always handy for navigating multiple pages of data. Another option you have is the workbook title. This can help identify what the document is all about at a quick glance. Then there's the sheet name, which is quite useful when dealing with large workbooks that contain multiple sheets. Not only that, but you can also include the current date and time. This can make a huge difference if you need to keep track of when the document was printed or compiled. But that's not all. If the preset options don't exactly fit what you're looking for, there's another feature you might find useful. You can click on Edit Custom Fields, which allows you to manually edit the headers and footers to better meet your specific needs. This is a powerful tool, especially if you need to include custom text or a particular format. And there you have it, everything you need to know to add headers and footers to your Google Sheets document. It's a straightforward process that, once you get the hang of, can be completed in just a few clicks. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it makes your document preparation smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheet editing.